For those of you who don't know what Fiverr is an online marketplace where you can basically buy any service for just $5. So recently I started a new print-on-demand business and I'm in need of some designs and logos that I myself am not capable of creating. So I went on to Fiverr, made a free account, and started my search. The first step for my business was to find a good logo. I went through several pages before finally discovering from Sri Lanka. So I sent him an example of the design I was going to create and agreed, and now we have our first project in the works. I accepted his offer and waited.
One eternity later.
At this point it's the next day and I just have to say for only $5 I'm completely blown away. Here's the design and honestly it looks amazing. Now I'm challenged with the task to find a designer for my t-shirts. So I went back to searching and eventually found So before paying for this order, since I was going to be buying 10 t-shirt designs, I gave him one example design to recreate. I asked him to recreate this design and, well, this is it. Not exactly the picture I sent to him at all, however, I thanked him for the work and moved on. I had to look elsewhere, so the next designer I came across, I found designer Anna from Bangladesh. For this one, I made sure to be specific with what exactly I wanted, so I told her to recreate this design as best as she could, and well, at this point I'm about to give up. 2 sellers, no results, but I decided to give it one more try. I found one seller by the name of Saiful716 from Bangladesh. Asked him to recreate this design and guys, he did it. He actually did it. He was a little bit confused at first with what exactly I was asking him to do, but eventually he got it. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger for 10 designs for $45. Now it's about 4 days later and Saiful has come across with the designs. And well, some of the designs I was happy with, however, I asked if he could give me more detail for these other designs, and luckily he was happy to do so. And now, here are the final results. I have to say, I'm pretty happy with these in general. These are way better than I could do, so I can't complain about that. And this is my actual first time using Fiverr, and I have to say it was a decent experience. I'd 100% use Fiverr in the future. It saves me a lot of time because I didn't have to create all of these designs, and plus these designs are probably better than what I could do myself. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more. Also check out some videos over here if you want to check out some more videos from me. And ending on that note, I will see you guys in the next one.